Hey, I'm going to show you some zippo tricks and how to do them, and it's going to be fun. You can impress your friends. First one, lighting it on your pants. This one is probably one of the most easy zippo tricks to learn. All you do is pull back to open the lid and then push forward. The next one I'm going to show you is a little more difficult. First, you take the zippo in between your fingers like this. You push down and there you go. To do this trick, hold the zippo like this and then you squeeze. It doesn't work all the time. You just have to get it in the right position. There you go. Well, those are some zippo tricks you can impress your friends with.